Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss a topic, geographical representation. Whenever we say geographical representation means how we are going to represent the features of the earth on a topographical sheet. So that is called the geographical representation. So before starting the chapter, let's understand what is our objective. Our objective is to know about the topo sheet. So what is exactly the topo sheet? Then use of color, how different colors are used on the topo sheet. Then to know the grid reference. Grid reference means how we can find the location with the help of grid. Then use of scale. Scale means every map has a scale where we can find on the scale. Sometime we can say that it is a ratio between map distance and ground distance. Then how we can measure distance with the help of scale, that is also we are going to know here. Then knowing the symbol, how these symbols look like, or how or what they are going to represent, so that also we are going to understand here. So let's start. Here you can find two pictures. In this first picture you can find whole India is divided into number of sheets, and further this India is divided into small parts. So this topographical survey that was started during British period. During British period it was having headquarter in West Bengal or Bengal only, so which was in Kolkata. Then further it is shifted to New Delhi. So here you can find number of boxes are these boxes are topo sheets, and to make it more smaller, these boxes are or these topo sheets are further divided into smaller division from A to P, that is total 16. And further, for making it more smaller, that divisions are shown 1 to 16. This is done to show more and more physical and man-made feature on a single sheet. So exactly this is the type how a topo sheet look like. Here you can find some numbers are given in the right hand side and some numbers are given on the bottom of the topo sheets. Here we can find on the bottom these numbers are given with the vertical lines, and at right hand side these numbers are given in the horizontal lines. So these are called our northing, those are drawn in the horizontal, and these lines, those are drawn in the vertical, these are called easting. So always any topo sheet, wherever we need to find grid reference, we'll find from a southwest corner of the topo sheet. So let's understand what is topographical sheet. Topographical sheets are actually large scale map. Large scale maps, we can say these are drawn like it is showing very small area. Let's say 2 centimeter equals to 1 kilometer, and these type of maps are those are showing man-made as well as physical feature both on a same sheet. And natural features, what type of natural features or physical features? Like it is a elevation. Elevation means if it is a mountain, plain, or what is the slope or what is the height of that area. Drainage means rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Vegetation means what type of trees are found, or where more trees are found or less trees are found. Then man-made features like road, bridges. Settlement means town or villages. So what are the uses of the topographical sheet? It is used by the travelers for traveling purpose. It is used for by the military purpose. Whenever military going to fight with somebody, so they must need to understand what is the topography of that area. So that is why it is used for the military purpose. So being a geography student, we also use topographical sheets. And it is also used for the town planning, because before town planning they have to know what is the topography of that area, or where water is available, or it is a dry area, or it is a plain area. So that is why also this particular topographical sheets are used. These are used for the geological purpose also, like we can say geological studies, like for the study of the earth also it is used. So who prepared topographical sheets in India? Topographical sheets in India are prepared by Survey of India, that is agency which was actually based in the Kolkata. So afterward it was shifted to New Delhi. So now headquarter of Survey of India is in New Delhi. So you can find also some type of colors which are used on a topographical sheets, like yellow color which is showing a cultivated area, green color, here we need to mention green color which is showing a forest, white color which is showing a rocky area or uncultivated area. Uncultivated area is that area which is not able to produce any type of crop or vegetation. Then blue color is always used for perennial wells, rivers, lakes, etc. Then brown color used to show contour lines. Contour lines are also lines, like such type of lines are drawn on a map. So these lines are connecting the places having equal height above the sea level. Then black color which is used for some type of symbols or trees or some type of triangulated height also. And red color which is used for huts or settlements or showing cities, etc. Hope you understood. You need to comment on video what you understood or where you find difficulty, and for the further video we will be finding what is grid reference or how to calculate it. Thank you.